Hey everybody, it's 2:03 and 8 seconds on November 15th. This is mini 6 for X-Men 101 9.6. Over here are the 20 filled spots. So whoever comes in first place in this one, just like the others, will win the first 5 available spots in the main. Whoever comes in second gets the next 2 available. Whoever comes in third gets a single spot filled in order. Big number 16. Best of luck. Here we go. That's one. Okay. This just looked like it froze. So I think unfortunately I'm going to have to post this video of this thing freezing, and I'm going to have to reset it and do it again. Okay. Time is now 2:03. I can't even see. The whole screen is frozen. The clock is not moving. So